In this video, I'll show you how you can add languages to your LinkedIn profile. So this is very simple. You just need to go to your profile. So click on your profile icon. And once you are on your profile, you just need to click on Add Profile section. And from here, you need to choose Additional. So click on this arrow to expand. And from here, you need to find Add Languages. So click on it. From here, you can choose your language. So let's say I'm going to type English, and you can choose English, and then you can choose your proficiency. So you can choose elementary, professional, or native. So let's say, I don't know, elementary. And then you can also add Duolingo score. So you can click add score. And then you need to sign in to your Duolingo account, and then you are going to be able to add Duolingo score. So then just click save. Save was successful. Now when you refresh your account, so now you just need to scroll all the way down to languages section, and from here you will see your English elementary proficiency. You can customize it whenever you want. So let's say you are professional right now, so you can just click on this pencil, again pencil, and then you can choose different proficiency. So this is how you can add a language on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more videos.